Hey everyone, want to grab a free Best Buy coupon code for your next purchase? I'm going to show you how to do it in just a few minutes. Head over to ezcoupon.co/best or scan the QR code on your screen to get to the site instantly. Once you're there, enter your email address. This is how your Best Buy coupon code will be sent to your inbox. I'm entering mine now to show you exactly how it works. Next, choose whether you're using an Apple or Android device and click Continue. Since I'm using Android, I'll go ahead and pick that option. The site will then generate your coupon code. To make sure you're a real human and not a bot, you'll need to download 2 free apps from the Google Play Store. These apps are totally safe and from reputable publishers with millions of downloads. After you've downloaded the apps, open and use them for about a minute. Some apps might ask you to register or reach a certain level in a game, like level 9 or 10. This is just a verification step to make sure you're a real person and not a bot, and it's totally worth it because once you complete the steps, your Best Buy coupon code will be sent straight to your inbox. I'll speed up the process now with some background music while I finish the apps. All set. I'm refreshing my inbox. And there it is, my Best Buy coupon code. I hope you found this helpful. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks on saving money. Happy shopping!